For this video, I'd like to show you how to upload a picture or a photo. There may be some assignments that you're required to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is go find our assignment. So we're going to click on August. We're going to go to our assignment. And on Monday, there's going to be a video for you to watch. I'm making it right now. And so you'll click on the link to watch the video. What I would like for you to do is upload a picture assignment. So please click here to access the assignment page. So you click here and it will take you to the assignment. So for this assignment, please submit a school appropriate photo of your choice. It could be a selfie, a picture of a pet or your little brother or sister, a plant inside or outside, maybe a flower that's very pretty, that's blooming, or even your foot. So again, this semester there'll be assignments that I have you complete and take a picture when finished to get credit for the assignment. So it's important for you to know how to upload pictures. So you will then submit your assignment. And if you scroll down, there will be this box that will come up, and this is going to be a file upload. So you'll click on Choose File. Now, once you've taken the picture and save it to your computer, you will need to remember what your title is of the picture, what you named it, and where you put it. So choose File, and I click on my picture. And once it's uploaded, it should list the name right here. So I actually took a picture of a smiley face balloon, and so it's a JPEG, and I just hit Assignment. And then I got confetti coming down, so yay, we did it.